Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GoodOne G3 Mini Bluetooth dialer handset. This is a mini cell phone. You can see what the cell phone looks like. There is some information at the back. This particular mini cell phone comes with 0.66 inch OLED display, is a mini Bluetooth handset, comes with dual SIM card support and also TF card support. And it has a high LED torch, high energy polymer battery, multi-Indian languages also supported. Let's open this box and get a closer look at this particular phone. So this is what we find inside the box containing the GoodOne G3 Mini phone. First off, we have a user manual, quick start guide rather. Everything that you need to know how to start up this device. This is a ear hook for securing this phone in place when you wear it against your ear. It's a nice touch. This is a battery for the phone. This is a 550 mAh battery. This is a micro USB charger for this particular phone, particular mini cell phone. Micro USB charger, very small micro USB charger, and this looks like an extra cover for this particular phone. I'm going to try and install the battery in this particular device and turn it on and show it to you what it looks like. There's a small groove over here. You have to put your fingernail over there and open the flap like so. You can hold 2 SIM cards in it. That's a great feature. I'm going to remove this. Okay, I'm going to install the battery now. There you go, the battery's in. Okay. Now I can choose either of these covers really. Instead of this one, I can go for this one. I'll go with the other one. There you go, it's actually working. Okay, that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the GoodOne G3 mini phone. Thank you for watching.